content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic, various types of insurance losses. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership in the Northeast. Right now you're looking at a 2020 VW Atlas Cross SE. Really nice vehicle. This vehicle sustained wind debris damage as a result of some type of storm event or a tornado. So what that means is that there was a bunch of debris that was blown around from the wind and hit the vehicle, causing some cosmetic damage. As you can see, engine performance clean, nothing structural. Really nice looking vehicle. It's like brand new. Now I'll show you the damage. As you can see, hood has some damage here, some dings. That's nothing. Front bumper, headlights are good. We'll go panel by panel. You have some damage on the fender, that looks repairable. The mirror got knocked off here, you have to replace that. The door has some damage, that's repairable. We replaced the windshield on it. Got a couple dings on the roof over here. Got another ding right here on the roof. This is clean here. Nice slate gray color. Got some damage here. Broken molding here. Really nice unit. Very easy fix. Got a little ding here. Couple dings up here also. This door is clean. That door is clean. And the fender is clean. Let's take a look inside. Smells like new in here. No airbags deployed. $13,000 miles, navigation, leather interior, panoramic roof, super nice. Interior is like new. This is a great builder, good family car. You'll fix this car and never have any issues. It'll be like buying a brand new vehicle. One of the nice ones. Alright, so this vehicle just came in today. We'll post it on our website soon. Prices, details, give us a call if you like it, and try and work something out. Thanks for watching.